all eyes are going to be on the MPC policy outcome. We're going to be watching out for what the tone is of the policy, what is the stance of the RBI, what is their commentary on this war situation, and also what is their outlook on rupee. So apart from these key monitorables, here's also something that we're penciling in, and in fact this is a Reuters poll wherein it says that the RBI is expected to keep its repo rate unchanged at 5.25% in the near term. They also say that a strong majority of the economists that they have polled, they polled 71 economists. Out of that, 69 believe that rates will continue to stay on hold until at least mid-2027. This is what the Reuters poll says. Now, the RBI maintains a neutral policy stance. This means that it is neither trying to boost nor slow down the economy aggressively. At least this is what we're expecting to hear. But given the war-like situation and everything that's happened with the rupee, the spike that we've seen in crude prices and the volatility over there, we might have to wait and watch to see what RBI's actual stance is and what the tone of the policy reflects. Inflation remains below the 4% target for about a year, and it has been so for us so far, and this has given the central bank considerable room to pause the rate changes. Economic growth, on the other hand, is also looking strong for now, with forecasts of around 7% GDP growth supporting the decision to hold rates steady. The inflation is expected to average around 4.3% over the next 2 years. The catch here is that this is going to be the first time the RBI will have a chance to react to the new GDP and inflation numbers based on the new series. So this is going to be a commentary that you want to be watching out for as well. The biggest risk to this outlook is global geopolitical tensions, like we've been talking about the Middle East conflict, which could raise oil prices and push inflation higher. And also why this is important is because India's dependence on oil imports makes it vulnerable to external price shocks, a complicating of RBI's decisions. So this is everything that we are going to be watching out for, but largely to sum it up, no rate change expected, stance expected to be neutral, but we are going to be closely watching out for this as well. And yes, commentary on the war, on crude prices, on rupee, and more importantly, if they are foreseeing a stagflation-like situation in the country where inflation is going up, but growth continues to remain sluggish, if at all this is something that they're pointing out or seeing early hints of, we are going to be watching out for very closely for this.